So imagine music, Tiesto, boom, 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 boom. Those are custom. We got those made in, I think, Romania? Fight Club meets nightclub. Boom, boom. My morning routine, okay. 7 a.m., I'm up sharp. First thing I do, chug a bottle of water. I brush my teeth, wash my face, do my 20 minutes of yoga. I make my green tea, and then I go into my daily planning, cranking out work probably for the next 2 hours before I have my brain smoothie. Avocado, spinach, and then I go back into work for another 2 hours, and then I have my brunch, lunch, go into another 2 hours of work after that, and then I do my run or my workout for the day. I'll go pick up my daughter from school, go home, spend a little time with her, and that's pretty much my daily routine.